In this new video, I'll show you how to get paid per each click. It is a free strategy that works worldwide, so if you're interested, make sure to follow me step by step until the end of this video. Just before we start, I want to remind all of you that if you haven't already, you can subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World with notifications on, so you can get notified each time we upload brand new strategies just like this one on how to make money online. Also, if you love this type of content, you can give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below if you have any question or opinion about this tutorial. Without any further ado, let's now start with this video so I can show you everything. I'm going to give you multiple steps, so you just need to follow me step by step till the end, since you're going to set it up in the proper way and you'll not get lost or confused. So the very first step is to come over to the first platform for today that you're going to combine with two others in order to make the strategy work actually, and this platform is called Entireweb. This is actually a search engine and it's over at entireweb.com. You can see that this is very similar to Google. You just need to start searching for something that comes to your mind that are going to give you the results just like on Google. You can see in the left hand side that there are three lines and I want you to click on them, because today we are going to use Entireweb in order to get paid, since this platform, in difference from Google, is going to get you paid, and I'm going to show you how. By clicking here, it's going to give you some sections including home, free tools, advertise, affiliators, articles, privacy, also their social media accounts. I want you to click on affiliate actually, since we are going to promote Entireweb as an affiliate. In the next page, you're going to notice that you can earn up to 20 cents for every click. You're going to get paid whenever you bring new visitors to this free search engine submission service. You're going to see that you can get paid for all clicks. Also, they offer high conversion rate. Everyone can join from anywhere in the world and make this work. And it's very easy to start. Once you sign up, you're going to just start earning money with your traffic. I'm, of course, going to show you the sign up process and also where you can find the free traffic and a free audience to click on your link and make your money again and again. By scrolling down, you're going to see how this works. So the visitor is going to click on your affiliate link and they pay you for both the first initial click, but also if the visitor goes through the process. So you're going to get paid whenever they click on your link and whenever they go and search something on Entireweb. You're going to notice here that they pay you through PayPal, so all earnings will be paid on the end of each month for the previous month in US dollars, and also they do not support any other payment methods, so you're going to get paid only in PayPal money. But I know that you have a PayPal account actually, most of you, so it's pretty awesome actually to make some PayPal money, and most importantly in passive income. You're going to just set this up once and then you're going to see your balance growing again and again. The minimum payout value is $50, so once you reach $50 in your account, you'll be easily able to cash out. You must enter your PayPal email address in your affiliate account settings in the payout options in order to get your payment. So first of all, just create an account for absolutely free by clicking on create account. In the next page, you're going to put some personal information just like your first name, last name, your username, a new password, and retype the password, and also some additional information. Some of them are optional, just like the company name, street name, web, so you don't need to have a company or a website, but you need to put your country actually. And don't worry, because this works all around the world. You're going to find your country here and that's it. Then agree to the terms and conditions and click on the sign up button. You're going to notice that there is no charge to join their affiliate program and you can get started very easily. Once you created your account, this is how it's going to look like. This is going to be your dashboard, where you can see in the left hand side the getting started section, campaigns, reports, daily report, banners and links, promotion, and your profile, even your FAQ section, so you can just see and get the answers for every question. On your profile, of course, you're going to put your payment method. You're going to notice here that you can just get your affiliate link. You need to copy it and then you need to just go over to the next step. This step is optional actually, but I highly recommend that you do it, since it's going to grow the chances of getting more clicks. So you're going to see over here that this is called bit.ly.com, and this is a platform where you can just shorten your link so it can look more professional. When you shorten your link over here, you're going to notice that your affiliate link contains the name of the website that you are promoting on it. So of course people are going to know the name of the website and and that you are promoting something. But by clicking just on shorten, it's going to give you a bit.ly shorten link that you can copy, and this way people are going to be more interested in clicking in that link. Of course, I'm going to show you a free traffic source just like I promised even before, so you can find the most people to click on your link and make the most money. This traffic source is called Hercules Plus, and it's over at hercules.com. You can see that you can advertise to thousands of people daily and for free, so you can find a lot of people to click on your link by just setting up an email, and I'm going to show you how. You can just see some of the features that Hercules offers. For example, this is a trusted platform. They have been around for 20 years and they are the trusted internet marketing source for thousands of people worldwide. They offer 100% real traffic, which means that are real people that are going to click on your link. They offer powerful tools. You can even earn through their affiliate program if you want to, but this is another case. If you want, you can even focus on that. Click on get started, of course, to create an account for absolutely free. So here you're going to just put your first name, last name, which are required. Where did you hear about them? You can say YouTube or leave it empty. You need to put a username, a password, re-enter the password, your subscribe email and main email. You can even click here in order to use the same email for both subscribe and main addresses. Then just agree to the terms of service and then just complete the captcha. Click on create account. Once you create your account, and this is how it's going to look like. Here is going to be your dashboard. There are a lot of things that you can see here, but I want you to focus on something in particular. You need to go over to submit daily email, so you can submit that email that I mentioned even before. It's going to take you to another page. You can see here all of the rules, so you need to read them and you need to follow all of these rules, of course, but then you're going to just scroll a little bit down. Down here it's the place where you're going to set up the email. You're going to see the subject line first of all, also the URL. As you can see, you need to paste that bit.ly link that we got even before from bit.ly.com, and you're going to paste it over here because this is the link when people are going to click and are going to go over to Entireweb. For the subject line, which is like a title, you can say something like try out this new free search engine, which is just like Google, or is this search engine better than Google? You need to write a call to action so you can make people interested, so they are going to think, oh, what is this platform that is better than Google or similar to Google? Let me try out since it's free. So make sure to include the word free, and then you can even add a body. You can just explain a little bit more about the search engine, that people can go, for example, and search for anything they want. It has a lot of features, something like that. And of course, even here you need to mention a call to action. Then you're going to click on submit ad, and this is going to be sent to thousands of people daily, just like we saw even before. So you need like 1,000 of people to click on your link, and you're going to make $200. Of course, some of them may not click on it, but some of them can even go for the process, so they can even just start searching something on Entireweb, and they can pay you for both the first initial click and even if the visitor goes through the process. So still you're going to make decent amount of money, since there are a lot of people that this email is going to be sent to. With that said, guys, this is it for today's video. If you like it, make sure to give a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to Aiden and Mia's World. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.